Hey guys, it's me, Lefty, once again. Today we are going to be playing some more gmod. And today I'm just going to be messing around. So just messing around with rag dolls and all kinds of stuff. Like that. So let me just delete that camera. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to be messing around with let me find it. Me, Ragdoll, and Rockstar Freddy, but today it's gonna be Rockstar Freddy. Set them up. This, and let's see what you can. Oh my god. That's a little, is that all I can do? Wait, I'm gonna push it to the limits. I'm gonna push it to the limits. I'm gonna push it to, okay. I think it, yeah, it's not going anymore. What did I do? What did I do? Oh my god. Right, I'm gonna take a screenshot of that. He's very. Oh, what? I didn't want the window. I want. Give me the brick. You freaking ragdoll. Oh my god. What have I done to Freddy? R.I.P. Freddy. Now, who else should I mess around with? Springtrap. Jesus. I think Freddy's lagging the game. Oh wait, is that ignited Springtrap? Wait a second. Oh no, it looked like it for a second there. Yeah. Let's see. Springtrap. Oh my god. What am I doing right now? What have I done? What have I done? What the frick? Oh my god. Okay, you know what? Alright. Frick. Where's my weapons at? Gotta be messing around with something. Where's... I'm gonna kill some dinosaurs. Some dinosaurs. Ow! Okay. Yeah. That does not play. Alright, second. Let's go. Jesus. These guns are overpowered. Sniper rifle. Ouch! Alright, you know what? Round two, fudger. Well, that was easy. That gun doesn't work. Alright, second, let's go. Oh god. Oh god, he's fast. He is fast. Right, sucker, you wanna go? Oh god, I gotta get off of this gun. It is lagging the heck out of my game. Frick, it's not what I wanted. Spinosaurus. One way. Ah, no. Alright. Let's use this. Die. Die. Die, you fudger. Die, you fat dinosaur. Oh god, reload. Die. Die. Ouch! He stomped on me. You know what? That's alright, I got a noob tube. A noob tube. A noob tuber. How did I lose a frickin' 40 feet? There he is. Frick, I missed him. What, sucker? You mad, bro? You mad, bro? I gotta hit you with another one. Oh, hey, get away. I gotta hit you again with another one. Is this dinosaur not even coming out? Oh, as I say it. Wait, no he's not. What the frick? Well, he exploded now. He went bye-bye. He went bye-byes! I don't know why I did the accent like that. Ooh, grease gun. Whoops. Alright. Oh god, T-Rex is after me. Run! Jesus. Hey, you velociraptor. He's fast. Whoa, what the frick? Please tell me you guys saw that in the comments down below. That glitch. Please tell me you did. See that? Seriously, I want to know if anyone else saw that. That was weird. Spring trap. It's spring troop. Oh, frick! Don't you be running at me like that. I don't know you like that. I don't know you like that. That's fine. Can they run on this map? Oh, wait. He can't hurt me? Ha ha. Oh, he's dead now. What about you guys? Wait, do I have NPC thinking of? People thinking. Hi Freddy. The way he landed back. R.I.P. Freddy and Springtrap. Fred. Who can run on this map? Can you? Can ya? Aha, you can't either. Oh my god, but he can kill me though. Alright, you know what? Hi! Die! Alright. Who else can we kill? Oh yeah, wait a minute. I forgot I had a flamethrower. What, sucker? Burn! Burn! It's probably not doing anything, is it? Die. Burn the bonnies. Burn the bonnies. I caught myself on fire. I caught myself on fire. Ow, ow, owie, owie, hurts. Ow, ow. Ow, ow. I caught myself on fire. Ooh, can we burn a dinosaur? Let's burn a dinosaur. Burn dinosaur. Cooking some dinosaurs. Is he not gonna go after me? Oh no, he's extra crispy. He's extra crispy now. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, gee. Whoa. What the heck? He extra crispy. Punts. I just don't know why. Let's burn it to Rex. Don't you frickin' roar at me, you fat cow. You big chicken. Ow, I'm on fire. Come on, you big chicken. I'm cooking me some chicken. Oh no, wait a minute. Now I'm cooking me some chicken. There we go. I got me myself some chicken. Where'd my chicken go? Oh, he disintegrated. I wanted to have some chicken. Are you friendly? Oops! I caught him on fire. Yeah, you friendly. Alright. Oh, no! I don't know why I just did that, guys. Lost. Law. Where is... There it is. Alright. Oh, wait a minute. Bendy. Ha, you can't move either. Where? Ooh, thrusters. Oh, I got an idea. Chair plus thrusters. How do you activate thrusters? Crap, how do you activate? Shit. How do you activate thrusters? Thrusters. Toggle action. Alright. Hang on a second.